Hey love, welcome to day 7. It's a week into my challenge and I just walked to the grocery store to find out that they're closed because apparently it's Labor Day and for some reason the grocery store is closed on Labor Day. So I guess I gotta walk home now and then get in my car and drive to the grocery store that's further away because I am all out of fruit. I had orange juice this morning. I'm gonna look out for one of these little scooters and see if I can just ride that home to save a little bit of time because at 4 o'clock my friend is having an African food tasting at her house. Her boyfriend is, I believe, cooking everything. So that's gonna be really delicious. And a bunch of my friends are gonna be there, so it's gonna be a good time.